Hello viewers, welcome you to my channel. This is Doc Monte. If you just click this video, obviously you are that one person who has reached the threshold. You've hit the target subscribers. You also have 4,000 watch hours. If not, then you're just that one person who's so curious. All the same, I want to say congratulations. Making it on YouTube is not an easy journey. It's more like an uphill race. So if you've made it, congratulations. You deserve a high five. On YouTube, most of the things that we do are things that are mystical, things that we need some person or a person who's more experienced to help us with. But it's not that easy to find a person who can actually guide you through, because it's not easy to reach out to people who are seasoned YouTubers. And in most cases, those who manage to do one or two things, they don't record when they're doing that. Hence, we don't happen to have a glimpse of what happens behind the veil, how they manage to do one or two things. It's to this cause that I felt that I should become the Messiah in that area, to help that person coming behind me, you, with one or two things, especially where monetization process is actually concerned. Thank you so much for clicking that button just to watch this video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually turn on the monetization button on each and every video. Imagine you just hit 4,000 watch hour, you just hit 1,000 subs, and then you have a question: how do I turn on monetization on each video? Well, this video will actually show you everything. I'm going to demonstrate everything by showing you what I did to get that. I'll be showing you how to place the ads on different parts of the video, especially those that are 8 minutes long. And I'll be showing you where to find everything you are looking for. So without any further ado, let's take a ride. Let's get into my channel. Right, so what you would do is, when you happen to open the browser and then you search for YouTube, you get on this window. What you need to do is you click in the top right corner there, and then you hit YouTube Studio. Okay, so when you get to YouTube Studio, what you need to do is you scroll down till you find this command button which reads N. Just click it. Okay, so when you're in, you'll see this. They'll say you've locked new ways to earn. You can now earn through ads on your videos. So just click that and then swipe down. So you see where they'll say watch page ads, earn from ads, and YouTube Premium on the watch page. So just click get started. Then click turn on, and this small window will actually pop up where you need to read the module So you check through all these and then you click accept and then hit accept and next. From here you can actually read through, say YouTube selects and places ads for each video. The following ad formats will be enabled as options for your videos. So pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, post-roll ads, all these. As I mentioned earlier, I said mostly those videos that are 8 minutes long and much more normally happens to have so many places where you can actually place the ads. But those that are shorter than 8 minutes, you don't need to do anything because YouTube will place the ads for you. So you can now hit next here. And then they'll say, which videos do you want to monetize? So you can go by all of my existing videos, or you go by I will choose. So I would rather you go by all of them. So this will include all the videos that you had posted much earlier than the time when you got monetized. So you simply click monetize all. And you'll see a notification monetizing your videos now. This may take a few minutes. And just like that, you are good to go. Just like that. Okay? So if you want to see how much you are earning later on, because the calculations will begin running, you need to check for that from analytics. Simply click analytics and then you go to revenue. So now I'm doing this for the first time. This is when my channel is getting monetized, so it isn't showing any dollar here. So it's 0.00000. But after a month or after a few days, I'll actually take a snapshot and I will show you everything. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful journey on YouTube. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to set up your AdSense account. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Stay blessed.